that what?
The courtesy is pulling in.
Uh-oh.
Towing in, but he's got no place to put the tow.
Oh, I see the boat coming in. See? Crooked. Oh man, that's not good. He's on top of the guide bunk, Dave. See how crooked the boat is?
Yeah.
Yeah, you better swim out there and straighten it up, because you can put a hole in the bottom of your boat. There, now go, 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 go. He's back over, it's floating over again. Oh, he's on. Yeah, we gotta unhook the bow strap there, buddy. We ain't done that yet.
Right, get it off.
He's trying to pull it off, but the bow strap's still hooked up.
Oh, his strap's still on it.
Yeah, it is. The bow strap's still hooked up. Popped her free. Kind of.
Oh. You're supposed to take the strap off, Kip.
At least they got a rope on it. They got a rope on both ends, man. They're good. The kids got it, Dave. They got one on the front, one on the back,
yeah.
Man. We got it now. Let's see if my man can get out. Yeah, get some momentum here. That'll be fun when he goes to pull that boat out.
Yeah, I really think two-wheel drive is going to be a struggle.
To get out. Yeah.
To get out, yeah.
This. She's backed up a trailer before.
Yeah. This is going to be a good one. They're just down and out.
Yeah, they're already in the boat.
Yeah, they're ready to go.
She's backing it up perfectly.
Yeah.
These people know what they're doing here.
Yeah.
And these people are off. Good job.
Yeah, she knows what she's doing.
Yeah, man, that thing's got to be four-wheel drive, huh? Whew, you smell that rubber. That's a big boat there. Nobody in it. Top's not up. He's backing it down pretty quick though. Well, there's nobody in the boat. And these people are already loaded up in the boat. They're ready to go, man. Got the music on. He's trying to get it started, I think. Oh, we got ignition. And we're off.
Go, man. Go! That concrete is going
That's
to be so slippery that ain't nothing going to...
That lip right there is what's getting everybody.
Two-wheel drive will never make it.
This dock is so little, you can't hardly get more than 1 or 2 boats launched. Still got that hallet over on the other side. They're waiting on the driver to come back down for that. Meanwhile, you got all these other boats waiting.
Should be in the water.
Somebody should be backing up here.
Should be right here.
Yeah, the bayliner should already backed in. I don't know what they're waiting on. Homegirl just parked the truck right here, Dave. They might be having boat issues with this bayliner or whatever this boat is here. That one with the girl standing. You might be having some issues.
Battery's dead. Didn't check it at home.
Our first battery of the day. I gotta put out.
Just took it off.
Yeah, and they still made it to the lake. They said that ain't stopping us with their brand new Escalade.
And a brand new Supra.
Yeah.
Oh, I got